Today I'm working on this 2012 Honda Ridgeline. Honda Ridgeline is very popular. They use the same engine, G35. And only the factory really requires you every 100,000 miles. You can change the timing belt kit, which I have from factory. Timing belt, engine pulley, and the water pump. So this car has been 224,000 miles. About the time change another timing belt. So if you refresh, Honda can run forever, half million miles. So probably if you take care of everything good. So let's get started. You see the old timing belt is out, the water pump. So I'm gonna replace that with the Honda OEM parts and put it back together. And when I finish, I'll show you. So now you see Honda water pump is in. Then I'm gonna put a timing belt in and really close back. I have a way to put a timing belt in, right? One shot deal, use the 2 clip. I'll show you guys. Now my timing belt is all down, radiator fluid is refilled, AC is recharged, so let's start. Good, should be 10 minutes for running idle. It should be fine. So my job is finished. Normally about 3.5 hours to 4 hours depends the rust for the bolt. This is pretty new engine, so pretty easy to finish. Okay, that's all. That's all I done for 2012 Honda Ridgeline, 224,000 miles. Another 100,000 miles, no problem. Honda OEM parts, job done.